So I'm down the ladder now, and this board is wobbly. I have my blueberries with me, and I'm just going to sit here for a bit and see if I can get some chickens to come close to me, and maybe if I can even pet them. So I'll come down here. It's quite muddy, but it's okay. And I'll just take a blueberry out. She's already wanting some blueberries. Just gonna come out here and hold my hand out. And I dropped it. Okay. Their beaks are sharp and it hurts a bit, but that's okay. They don't like to be touched either, it seems. This one really wants the blueberries. She's like almost willing to attack me to get them.
Be careful. She may. That's the thing, Autumn.
Yeah, she's quite angry, so I'm gonna feed her some blueberries. And maybe tomorrow we'll come back out, because at this point in time, I honestly believe that she's going to attack me because she's getting really close and she does not look happy at all. So I'll feed them a couple more blueberries, and then tomorrow we'll continue with Marchus Honest and getting my chickens to love me. Thank you.